2012 Ford Mustang O2 sensor or oxygen sensor replacement. All I needed was a 22mm wrench to get the job done and a little bit of elbow grease. O2 sensors here, it's already broken, for example, not broken literally, as in the tension was removed off of it. You can see I already got it loose. It may be extremely tight for you, but with enough power you can get it off with the 22mm. Once it's loose, twist and remove the oxygen sensor and disconnect the connector cable here. All right, as you can see, there's a connector here on the cable. You're going to push down on that button and pull it off. I need 2 hands for this, so I will be cutting here. Oxygen sensor is removed. Oxygen sensor connector is removed. Make sure no pieces are broken because it may take some strength to get it off. New oxygen sensor. This sensor looks like it's gonna give me some great performance. I love it. Looks good. So we're gonna put this, oops, just dropped it, inside that little port inside the cat. Give a little work. There we go. Twist it and place. Beautiful. Oops. Oh, gotta watch this thing swinging in my face. Alrighty, make sure it's in there tight. Grab your wrench. Got the wrench. To the right is tight. Twist it. Give it a little bit of elbow grease. There you have it. Connect the connector. Need 2 hands again, so I'm gonna cut.